Hi Abba, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Good, thank you. What you are doing today?
I'm doing a lesson for my P's.
Please.
Yes, correct.
And then you will go for your drive test.
Yes.
Okay, girls. Now, at the traffic light, turn left. Good. You looking at the mirror, you signal, that means you got the full score. Okay. Tell me, what are the criteria you can follow today during your drive test?
My speed limit,
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Number one.
my control over the vehicle, my braking,
Yep.
making sure that I look at my rearview mirror before signalling
And before braking.
and before braking.
Braking. Good. At the next street, turn left, please. Okay. Now, tell me. I just ask you that if I go just a little bit 1 or 2 kilometers above the speed limit, what is the consequence will be?
I think it's a fail.
Okay. Okay. Not. I think it's definitely it's a fail.
Fail, sorry, yes.
At the end of the street, turn right. Okay. So, what is the just a minimum speed limit you can travel less than the required speed limit?
I don't think you can.
Yeah, you can. Just for example, this is 50 zone. Okay. You can go 45. 5 kilometer always it is granted. Okay. At the next street, turn right. So yesterday I gave you the first lesson, and in my opinion, you are one of the best drivers. Okay.
Thank you.
Now, today what you need to do, just make sure that understand the instruction.
Yeah.
If you are not sure about any instruction, don't hesitate.
Yeah.
Please ask them to repeat.
Okay.
Okay, this is your right. You can ask as many times as you want. Okay. At the end of the street, turn right, please. So, do you have any question today regarding the drive test? You can ask me. This is the time you can ask me.
Not too sure.
Okay.
Might just pull up a little bit more, just like this.
Now, if at the next street, turn left.
Yeah.
If they ask you anytime changing the lanes, okay, and if it is not safe though, what is your task to do? What you will do?
If it's unsafe
Yep.
to do so,
Yeah.
wait for it to be safe.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Anytime they ask you, and especially they ask you when in the blind spot the car is there.
Yeah.
So make sure that there is no car. Let them car to go. Okay.
Yeah.
Make it safe. Then move to the lane.
Okay.
What the lane they are asking. Anytime you travel to any roundabout, what is your task to do? What side you have to give
My
way?
right side.
Absolutely. And I can add little bit things. The people moving within the roundabout on your area, okay?
Yeah.
You must slow down and allow them to finish the turn.
Okay.
And what is your answer to be the stop sign?
You wait 3 seconds.
3 seconds, absolutely. At the end of the street, turn left into the highway and finish into the right lane.
Okay.
Okay. All the best, girls. Drive safely.